flexors. What we're going to do is we're going to be pulling up because the hip flexors help in hip flexion. So you want to pull them up to assist.
Like this.
Again, 4-inch double. Perfect. And if you wouldn't mind bringing your shirt up just like above your hip a little bit. There you go. Okay. Again, find that middle. We're going to start there. An upward angle.
Sorry.
Nice and tight. You're pulling. You're pulling up. And coming around. We're going to lock that one in. Pulling up. Okay, so once you've got there, you're going to come up high on the hip and around to the other hip right here. And I'm just kind of laying it. I'm tight, but I'm not pulling. And come down. Does this kind of look familiar?
Yep.
Yeah.
Shoulder spica. So I'm going to come up here, pulling up, and staying even at the hip. And you got a slight fishtail. And then your third time, pulling up, staying even around the hip again. Only 3 times, just like the shoulder spica. So now I'm going to take all this extra and just kind of finish it down the quad nice and light. There's no pull to this. And no wrinkles.
So were you making fishtails on the hip? On
I
that side?
was.
Can't see it
Yeah,
from
here.
Okay.
Again, use doohickey or the tape. And that is a hip flexor. So now bring your hip into flexion. Feel like it assists, give you an extra
Yeah.
bounce.
That feels good.
Okay.
My hip flexors hurt really bad.
Okay. So